Yan, ito na.
Papot, ano, i-explain mo yung mga nangyayari ngayon?
Something like this? We are experiencing sandstorm here in Siaba around quarter to 5.
Quarter to 5 o'clock? Around quarter to 5.
The situation here is very critical.
Mr. Domingo, what are we experiencing here, Mr. Domingo?
Zero visibility already.
But I can see you. See? So can you explain what's the big sandstorm?
End of the world.
Mr. Domingo, can you explain what is this sandstorm?
Scorpion King. Kaya ganyan yan. Dumaan ako kanina doon. Puta dumaan yung buhangin. Pukutang sa mga damit ko eh. Ikabahan din ako. Lagi ko sa B25. Alam, nandiyan dyan na. Alas lamunin siya na ng buhangin. Bakbo! Ito kaya, Brad. Ayun na naman, no?
Yun ang lakas eh.
Kumas. Lakas eh.
May kidlat na.
Grabe daming reporter, no? We're experiencing the strongest sandstorm in China. So,